Application and properties of epoxy adhesives. Epoxy adhesives are widely used in a variety of industrial and commercial applications. They are known for their exceptional bonding properties, durability, and resistance to chemicals and environmental factors. In this article, we will explore the properties of epoxy adhesives and their applications in different industries. What are epoxy adhesives? Epoxy adhesives are two-component adhesives that consist of a resin and a hardener. These components are mixed together in the required ratio and applied to surfaces that need to be bonded. The adhesive cures over time due to a chemical reaction between the resin and hardener, forming a strong bond between the surfaces. Properties of epoxy adhesives. Epoxy adhesives have several properties that make them a popular choice in many applications. These properties include: 1. High strength. Epoxy adhesives have excellent bonding strength, making them ideal for applications that require high load-bearing capacity. 2. Chemical resistance. They are resistant to a wide range of chemicals, making them ideal for use in harsh environments. 3. Durability. Epoxy adhesives are resistant to wear and tear, making them ideal for use in applications that involve repetitive stresses. 4. Excellent adhesion. They have excellent adhesion to a variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and ceramics. 5. Heat resistance. They have high resistance to heat, making them ideal for use in environments with high temperatures. Applications of epoxy adhesives. Epoxy adhesives are used in a variety of industries for various applications. Some of the applications of epoxy adhesives are: 1. Construction industry. Epoxy adhesives are used in the construction industry for bonding concrete, masonry, and metal structures. They are also used for repairing cracks in buildings and for bonding tiles and flooring. 2. Automotive industry. The automotive industry uses epoxy adhesives for bonding metal parts, such as body panels and engine components. Epoxy adhesives are also used for repairing damaged plastic and composite parts. 3. Electronics industry. Epoxy adhesives are used in the electronics industry for bonding and encapsulation of components and assemblies. They are also used for sealing and potting electronic components to protect them from moisture, dust, and vibration. 4. Aerospace industry. Epoxy adhesives are used in the aerospace industry for bonding and repairing composite materials used in the construction of aircraft components. They are also used for bonding metal and composite structures in spacecraft. 5. Medical industry. Epoxy adhesives are also used in the medical industry for bonding and sealing medical devices. They are also used for implantable medical devices, such as joint replacements. 6. Marine industry. Epoxy adhesives are used in the marine industry for bonding and repairing boats, ships, and other marine structures. They are also used for bonding underwater structures, such as pipelines and oil rigs. Types of epoxy adhesives. There are various types of epoxy adhesives available in the market, which are designed for specific applications. Here are some of the common types of epoxy adhesives. 1. Clear epoxy. Clear epoxy is a transparent adhesive that is used for bonding glass, plastics, and metals. 2. Structural epoxy. Structural epoxy is a high-strength adhesive that is used for bonding metal, concrete, and wood structures. 3. Rapid cure epoxy. Rapid cure epoxy is a fast-setting adhesive that is used for bonding metals, plastics, and ceramics. 4. Flexible epoxy. Flexible epoxy is a type of adhesive that is designed for use in applications that involve movement or vibration. It is used for bonding materials that are subjected to repeated stress, such as rubber, plastics, and metals. 5. High-temperature epoxy. High-temperature epoxy is a type of adhesive that is designed for use in applications that involve high temperatures. It is used for bonding materials that are subjected to extreme heat, such as metals and ceramics. How to apply epoxy adhesives. The application of epoxy adhesives depends on the specific adhesive being used and the surfaces being bonded. Here are some general steps for applying epoxy adhesives. 1. Prepare the surfaces to be bonded by cleaning and drying them thoroughly. 2. Mix the required quantities of resin and hardener according to the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Apply the adhesive to one of the surfaces to be bonded, using a brush, roller, or syringe. 4. Place the other surface to be bonded onto the adhesive, making sure that the bond line is uniform. 5. Clamp the surfaces together until the adhesive is fully cured. 6. Clean up any excess adhesive with a solvent before it hardens. Additionally, epoxy adhesives offer several advantages over other types of adhesives, such as cyanoacrylates and superglues. For example, epoxy adhesives have a longer working time, which allows for better placement and adjustment of the parts being bonded. They also have a higher gap filling capacity, which means they can fill in any gaps or irregularities between the surfaces being bonded. Furthermore, epoxy adhesives can be used on a wide range of materials, making them a versatile choice for many applications. However, there are some limitations to the use of epoxy adhesives. For example, they can be brittle and may crack under extreme stress, such as impacts or bending. They can also become discolored over time due to exposure to sunlight and UV radiation. Furthermore, they can be difficult to remove once cured, making them less suitable for applications that require frequent repairs or adjustments. They offer several advantages over other types of adhesives, including high strength, chemical resistance, durability, and excellent adhesion to different materials. Whether you work in construction, automotive, electronics, aerospace, medical, marine, or other industries, epoxy adhesives can be an ideal solution for your bonding needs. To ensure the best performance, it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when using epoxy adhesives. In summary, epoxy adhesives are a reliable and effective bonding solution for various applications across different industries. Their versatility, strength, and durability make them an ideal choice for bonding difficult materials and surfaces. With their properties and capabilities, epoxy adhesives are an asset to any project in need of a strong bond and long-term durability. By choosing the right type of epoxy adhesive for your application and following proper handling and application procedures, you can ensure a successful result that meets your bonding needs. If you are new to using epoxy adhesives or have questions about their properties, applications, or handling, be sure to consult with a knowledgeable supplier or expert in the field. They can provide you with guidance and advice to ensure that you select the right type of epoxy adhesive for your needs and that you handle it safely and effectively. With the right knowledge, skills, and tools, you can harness the power of epoxy adhesives to take on any bonding challenge with confidence and success. It is also worth noting that epoxy adhesives are not only used in industrial and commercial applications but can also be used in DIY projects and home repairs. They can be found in hardware stores and online, making them accessible to anyone in need of a strong bonding solution. When using epoxy adhesives in DIY projects, it is important to choose the right type of adhesive for the job. In addition, it is important to follow proper handling and application procedures, such as using appropriate pen, measuring the resin and hardener accurately.